simple tutorial on how to make a fried egg. The first thing you're going to want to do to start the cooking process off is grease up your pan. Now you can use a number of different items to accomplish this, such as coconut oil, butter, or vegetable oil, but in this specific case, I'm going to be using extra virgin olive oil. To grease your pan, you're going to want to put a thin layer of your substance on the pan's surface. Now, in this specific case, I have a medium saucepan and I'm using a tablespoon to apply my olive oil. So what usually works for me at least is that I get 2 nice full spoonfuls of my extra virgin olive oil. That's 1. That's 2. Put that aside. And I just move that nice and around, and then I just cover it. Really nice, because the oil will not usually cover it by itself, so it's going to take a little manual work. See that? There. That's covered in your nice thin sheet. You're going to want to typically turn it on to medium. You're going to want to turn on your extractor to avoid inhaling any nasty fumes. And next we get the egg. Now your next step is going to be to crack your eggs along a nice solid surface, preferably the rim of the pan. Now, in this tutorial I'm going to be using 2 eggs. And keep your hand under to make sure that no eggshells go into the grease. That's going to make it taste bad. Second, be careful, open it carefully, flop it in there. Now you're usually going to want to cook only until the egg whites turn like a solid nice white, so just be aware of that. Now, I'm going to go make some toast. Now that I got my toast, I'm going to remove my eggs. Now, after about a solid 3 minutes, the time may vary, the eggs have turned out pretty nice. Now, you can leave your eggs on a little while longer if you like some drizzle on the bottom. I really don't. So hopefully not too much came out. Let's see here. That's 1. And that's the 2nd. Gotta be gentle.